Looking for some DIY garden bench ideas? Wondering how to add a unique touch to your outdoor space? Well, we're about to explore how 5 simple yet creative DIY bench projects can transform your garden into a serene relaxation haven. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 DIY garden bench ideas. Starting with idea number 5, the cinder block bench. This durable, low-cost bench requires only cinder blocks, wooden slats, and adhesive to assemble. It's a simple yet robust option that not only offers an industrial look, but also stands the test of time. Moving on to idea number 4, the tree stump bench. An excellent way to repurpose nature's bounty, these benches bring a rustic charm to your garden. All you need is a flat surface and a good sealant to prevent decay. With this bench, you can truly bring nature into your garden. Let's dive into idea number 3, the pallet bench. Imagine crafting a bench from versatile recyclable pallets. The process is simple and the result delightful. Consider adding cushions for an extra layer of comfort. This bench adds a rustic charm and comfort to any garden. Now to idea number 2, the concrete garden bench. This modern, sleek design comes to life as you mold and pour concrete into your desired shape. Its strength defies the elements, offering a sturdy, weather-resistant seat. This bench is a perfect blend of style and functionality. And finally, our top pick, idea number 1, the swing bench. Easy to create and full of charm, it needs sturdy support for safety. It's more than just seating, it's an invitation to fun and nostalgia. This bench will surely make your garden the favorite hangout spot. So there you have it, our top 5 DIY garden bench ideas. From cinder blocks to tree stumps, pallets, concrete, and even a swing bench, these creations can transform your garden into a haven of relaxation. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!